we have been trying to shine a light on the Immigration Subcommittee. We're in the minority, obviously, so we can't do official hearings, but I've started doing a series of shadow hearings to shine a light on all of the ways that the government is attacking immigrants and the legal immigration system. The first one was on third country deportations. The whole series is called Kidnapped and Disappeared. The second one, which we did yesterday, was exactly on what the attorney for Andriy was just talking about. The fact that now what the government is doing is they have been dismissing cases when somebody shows up to be in compliance with the immigration system. They have appointments for citizenship, they have appointments for asylum, court cases. In some cases, immigrants have been waiting for years to go through this process. They finally, imagine what it's like when you finally get your appointment. You show up to your appointment and the government dismisses the case. Now, typically when the government has dismissed a case, it's because they decide they're not going to pursue it anymore. In this case, the government is dismissing the case so that then, as the person walks out of immigration court, they can be arrested, detained, and deported, again with no due process. And so this is a remarkable attack on the idea that immigrants should show up for their court cases. And it's a real catch-22, because if you show up, you could get detained and deported, arrested, detained, and deported. If you don't show up, then you are now in violation of the immigration regulations, and you're deemed as an absconder. The reason they are trying to dismiss these cases is because once a case is dismissed, they can then put an immigrant into what's called expedited removal. Expedited removal means that you don't get due process.